Let's talk about value. This is my easy peasy British bacon, pea and cheddar pasta, my spin on the Italian classic carbonara using all M&S Remarksable Value ingredients. This is a proper family feast that'll feed 4 people for under £2 a portion. Now it's time to whisk up those eggs. M&S eggs, always free range. And in we go with that expertly sourced M&S cheddar cheese, and then a good pinch of black pepper going in, and you want to give that a good little whisk together. And get the pasta on in a pan of boiling salted water. If you're short on time, you could even use one of our fresh pastas from the fresh aisle. They just take a couple of minutes to cook. And now time to get that M&S Select Farm British bacon frying away in the pan. And I tell you what, you can't beat the smell of frying bacon, especially when the quality is this good. And now we're just going to save a mug full of that starchy pasta water. That's going to help make our sauce later on. We've got these British M&S peas. We're just going to add those into the pasta for the last couple of minutes, just to cook them through. And now our bacon is crispy, we can take the pan off the heat and we're going to add the drained pasta and peas into the crispy fried bacon. Start to give that a little toss together. Right. Now I've turned this off the heat, and the eggs will cook in the heat that's in the pasta and in the water and the residual heat of that pan. And we just want to give that a really nice toss together. Okay, and to turn this into a proper family feast, get yourself an M&S Remarksable Value garlic baguette. You really can't go wrong with that. This isn't just any bowl of pasta, this is an M&S Remarksable Value recipe that's just £2 a portion to feed a family of 4, ready in less than 20 minutes. Come on, get stuck into that. I bit enough more than I can chew.